Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add courses in your YouTube studio. Now, if you are seeing this for the first time, in order to do this, you want to click on your content in your YouTube studio, then click on courses section here at the top. And if you're seeing it for the first time, you'll have the welcome to it and you'll have this add course button showing up right in the mid layer. Now, as you can see, I have a course added already. And so I'm going to show you how to basically add courses. Now, in case you are doing this for the second time and you want to add new courses, you will realize that there's no add courses button available right here anymore. But you can still add course. All you have to do is click on create on the upper right hand side and you have a bunch of options right here. So you click on the new course and again, it's going to bring up this pop-up where you can add your course title. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just quickly add a course name. So let's say I'm going to say chat GPT course, for example, right? Let me go ahead and make this better. And here you want to add a description of the course. So I recommend that you make the course description as fully optimized as possible so that it can be searchable in the YouTube algorithm. So you want to ensure that it is fully optimized. So spend some time and write a proper course description. Now from here, you want to go ahead and make sure that your course is public. It is public by default anyways, but you can always make a course private or unlisted. It's really up to you. Right now, to add the videos to the course, you can simply click on that. In this case, I said it's ChatGPT, so you want to search your library of videos, let's say all of your videos, so you can type in the video's name and you will be able to see the type of videos, and you can add multiple videos on that. So let's say I want to add this video, I want to add that video, I want to add that video, just a few videos I'm going to add right here, and I'm done. So I'm going to click on done here and just go ahead and click and create. And as you can see right now, it's going to take me right into that course. And this is that specific course right here. So if you want to go back, just simply click back and you will see the course. And at any point in time you want to access course, you go to content, you go to courses, and you'll find your courses. Right now you can always go back again and edit the course. So you can click on the pencil icon here to edit it, and you can edit the description, the title, change the visibility, you can sort it how you want the videos to show up. Right, you can go ahead and you can click the videos section here and you can see the videos, you can see the analytics, you can see the comments as well, and so forth. Right, so this is all you can easily go ahead and find. Also guys, if you want to delete the course at any point in time, you can always go ahead and click the three dots, and here you have the option to delete as well. Right, you can also copy the link to the course. So for example, if you want to share the course with someone, you can click get shareable link, and as well you can even set as a playlist if you so desire. And that's pretty much it guys.